Join me as I take on the challenge of losing weight fast while staying healthy in 2025. Let's see if I can stick to my plan and achieve my goals. Losing weight quickly and maintaining health is a delicate balance, and it's essential to approach it with a well-thought-out strategy. Many people struggle with fad diets that promise quick fixes, but often lead to disappointment and unhealthy habits. These diets can be detrimental to our overall well-being, causing us to lose weight in the short term, but ultimately leading to weight gain and health problems in the long run. Fad diets often restrict certain food groups, leading to nutrient deficiencies and a higher risk of chronic diseases. People may also turn to unhealthy practices like skipping meals or over-exercising, which can cause more harm than good. Another common struggle is the lack of sustainability, as many diets are not designed to be maintained in the long term, leading to a yo-yo effect of weight loss and gain. Effective strategies for healthy weight loss include meal prep, which helps us plan and prepare nutritious meals in advance. Exercise routines are also crucial, as they help us build muscle and increase our metabolism, allowing us to burn more calories at rest. Mindset shifts are also essential, as they help us develop a healthier relationship with food and our bodies. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and staying hydrated, we can set ourselves up for success and achieve our weight loss goals in a sustainable way. A key insight that can help us achieve our weight loss goals is to focus on progress, not perfection. We don't have to be perfect. We just need to make progress every day. By celebrating our small wins and being kind to ourselves when we slip up, we can stay motivated and on track. Healthy weight loss is not just about the number on the scale. It's about feeling good in our own skin and having the energy to live our lives to the fullest. One powerful success story that illustrates the effectiveness of a balanced approach is that of someone who lost weight by making sustainable lifestyle changes. This person started by making small changes to their diet and exercise routine, and over time, they were able to achieve their weight loss goals and maintain their new weight. Their story is a testament to the fact that healthy weight loss is possible when we approach it with patience, persistence, and the right mindset. Many people have achieved their weight loss goals by following a similar approach, and their stories are a great source of inspiration and motivation. By learning from their experiences and applying their strategies to our own lives, we can overcome our own struggles and achieve our weight loss goals. Healthy weight loss is a journey, not a destination, and it's essential to focus on the process, not just the outcome. In conclusion, losing weight fast and staying healthy in 2025 requires a balanced approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your own weight loss experiences. And if you're looking for more health tips, be sure to check out my other video on healthy habits.